Welcome back to Notes 14 and some more factoring. You thought we were done after Notes 13? You were wrong. All right, so we're going to break this up into two. We've got the first section here, which is going to be factoring with GCF. So we've got problem number one. What do they have in common? And the answer is they have K in common. So that is my GCF. What is left over? Well, K squared divided by K is K. 8K divided by K is 8. I have just factored, which means I wrote it as a multiplication problem with the GCF of K. My other factor is K plus 8. Problem number one, part A, done. All right, let's take a look at part B. All right, so step up because we got numbers, variables, and multiple things going on here. So numerically, 4 and 6 are both divisible by 2. A to the second and A to the third, I can factor out an A to the second. C to the fifth and C, I can factor out a single C. So 2A to the second, C is my GCF. All right, what's left? 4 divided by 2 is 2. A to the second over, that's gone. C to the fifth over C, so we'll do a little subtraction. That's going to be C to the fourth. 6 divided by 2 is going to be a positive 3. A to the third factor out an A squared. That's going to be an A. No C's left over. So that's the factor form for that one. GCF sitting here and your other factor sitting there. And then last but not least for this one, looking at GCF for that mess. That's officially, I'm going to just call it a mess. You got a trinomial here, though. So we got first term, second term, third term. And a reminder, how do you know where your terms are? Look for the addition or subtraction sign. That's going to split your terms. 12, 8, 16, all divisible by 4. All right. That is the highest factor that's going to go into them. All of my terms have K's in them. The lowest one is going to be K to the fourth. So that's a K to the fourth and another K to the fourth. While this term has a B in that term, that does not. So the 4 K to the fourth is my GCF. Let's see what's left. 12 divided by 4, 3. K to the seventh divided by K to the fourth, 7 minus 4, that's a 3. Leave the B alone. Has to be part of your answer. So moving on to the next one. 8 divided by 4 is 2. K to the fourth got completely factored out, but B to the eighth didn't get touched. Let's see, minus, keep that. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. K to the sixth divided by K to the fourth, little quotient rule, subtract those exponents. We get a 2 left over. And that is the fully factored form with the GCF of 4K to the fourth. And then all of this is the trinomial that's the leftover. But this whole thing is also a factor of part C. All right, so we wrote it as a multiplication problem. I'm going to stop the video now for this part. I'll give you another video for the second part of Notes 9, which is on factoring trinomials, where you've got positives and negatives. So we'll deal with that in the next one. If you have any questions or concerns, let me